This is
The 920 is this one. Sorry, man.
Hi guys, here we are with another hardware review. Today's topic is the processor, the heart of the computer. Now, as you all know, I am a gamer. I love to game, and for a good game, for good quality, good resolution, good speed, you need a good processor. This is state of the art. This is the Intel Core i7. It's a next generation processor. Well, let's just open the thing and see what's inside. For all you guys out there, there are pictures. Eat your heart out. Well, why don't you tell us what we've got here?
Yeah. Let's see. Well, the most important thing in this little box is, of course, the processor itself. It's in this nice little container inside the big container. So what it is, it's the Intel i7 920.
That's a quad core, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a quad core processor. It supports hyper-threading. It's specially made for the Intel X58 chipset. It runs at 2.66 gigahertz standard. So, what you can do with this processor is you can overclock this one a very large amount. So
isn't that dangerous?
Yeah, it's very dangerous. But you can do it. You only have to check on your CPU temperature. If you overclock your PC, the most important thing is know what's your roof, your top limit.
You need to know how far you can go.
Yeah. To cool down the processor, you have to take into consideration your airflow, and this one is the thing that provides the airflow to cool down the CPU temperature.
So if I get you right, this is like the fan that is delivered by Intel within the specs of the processor itself.
Yes.
But if you overclock and if you run your processor harder than the specs are, then you need to double up on your fans.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, great.
That's why this one is a little smaller in size than compared to the other one we did in the earlier show one.
So this is the bottom, I reckon. The processor goes underneath, I think.
Yes. If you we can show it into the camera. It's got this little thing that's a paste. You can see the gray stuff.
Yeah.
That goes onto the processor. So the CPU is in your main board, in your.
That's on your motherboard, isn't it?
It's on the motherboard, and this one goes on top of it. But we
okay,
replace it with that one.
So they've given us this one. We're going to say it's thanks, but we need bigger stuff. We throw this away, and on top instead.
Yeah, we have this one. With this, so the fan of this one, it's over there, but.
That's what we showed in the earlier segment.
Yeah, but it's well basically the same thing. You put it on and well, it cools your CPU. So it's a good processor. We're gonna test it out, benchmark it a little bit in software. What we're gonna do is basically tweak this little bastard out to the maximized performance and show you guys what we did, how we did it, and have a little fun with this one.
That's gonna be nice. Take 176. Welcome to another edition of our hardcore hardware.
My God, you pussy motherfucker!
The process is the one that does the maths, does the processing. Because only then do you know your computer is too slow.